Routine check tasks for HVAC, HVAC. 1. Check window air conditioner. 2. Split air conditioner check. 3. Air conditioner electrical controls. 4. Air conditioner electrical connections. 5. Mechanical controls for air conditioner. 6. Clean the internal parts of the air conditioner from dust. 7. Air conditioner thermostat. 8. Fan blades for air conditioner. 9. Air conditioner fan motor. 10. Air conditioner fan rotation speed. 11. The degree of cooling of the air conditioner. 12. Coolant level variant for the air conditioner. Air conditioner compressor condition. 14. Air conditioner compressor oil level. 15. Air conditioner filters. 16. Air conditioner filters. 17. Air conditioning ducts. 18. Air duct insulation. 19. Air diffuser for air conditioner. 20. Air conditioner sound reducers. 21. Air conditioner sound. 22. Vibrations in the air conditioner. 23. Air conditioner brackets. 24. Air conditioner rust. 25. Greasing the air conditioner shaft. 26. Condensate water collecting basin for the air conditioner. 27. Exhaust fans. 28. Air conditioner heating skewers. 29. The cleanliness of the heaters in the air conditioner. 30. Condition of the cooling fans and the air conditioner. 31. Condition and cleanliness of the air conditioner evaporator pipes. 32. Condition and cleanliness of the condensers pipes of the air conditioner. 33. Refrigerators, freezers, and store refrigerators. 34. Drinking water fountains, chillers. 35. Oil pumps. HVAC is over. Pumps task belong to the plumbing, but the supervision of them was transferred to HVAC on account of the quality of the inspection. 1. Water distribution pumps with plumbing. 2. Various water pumps with plumbing. 3. Tank water pumps with plumbing. 4. Water pump control unit with plumbing. 5. Water meters with plumbing. 6. Greasing water equipment with plumbing. 7. Leaks in water pumps with plumbing. 8. Pump bearings with plumbing. 9. Clean water equipment with plumbing. Pumps is over.
انجينير نايف غزاي سالم الطويلعي